This is Insta360 GO 3S, and today I will show how you can change and customize the camera button controls from its mobile app. So in the beginning, launch the Insta360 app and connect your camera to it. Now go into Settings, Button Settings, and here you have the Quick Cap 1 and Quick Cap 2. And basically what it stands for, if you have the Quick Capture feature enabled, which we have a whole separate video about, so check it out if needed. You can change this button action for single press and double press once the action pod is switched off. So here you can switch what mode will be enabled, as well as the double press action over here. Then you can also change the single press action between those options here, as well as double press between the very same options. Then do not forget to save those changes, and here you have it. So as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.